Hello! Do your models look flat and lifeless in Godot? In this tutorial, I'll show you a super efficient trick for making them look properly lit. Without any directional light or real-time lighting, and with almost zero performance cost. Let's get started! First, ensure that your 3D object has a proper UV map. I'm using a simple color map because it's lightweight and performance-friendly. Once that's done, export your object along with the UV map. After importing, you'll notice the object looks a bit flat. To fix that, select the UV map image. Click Import, enable High Quality, and re-import it. Now, select your model, go to the Material section, and create a new shader material. After that, apply the shader code. You can find it in the description. The shader checks each surface's angle to the light. The ones facing it get brighter, and the ones turned away get darker. Next, open the shader parameters. Drop your UV image into albedo text and turn on Force sRGB. This ensures your texture colors look accurate and vibrant. Now, select the World Environment node, open Tone Map, and set the mode to Filmic. This will help your lighting look more natural and cinematic. Next, select your model and open the shader parameters. From here, you can move the light around with yaw and pitch, and you can control the brightness on the areas facing the light and the areas turned away from it. Now, apply the shader to all of your models. All done! Your models now have this beautiful, performance-friendly lighting. You can already see how much better everything looks. It's a simple tweak that can make your scenes look amazing. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like, share, and subscribe